Hello students, this is Rojamani HOD, Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to explain about SQL introduction. Objectives of SQL. First of all, understand the basics of relational database. Second objective, retrieve data from single or multiple tables and also manipulate data in relational database. SQL history. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and can be pronounced as SQL or SQL. It is special purpose language used to define, access and manipulate data in RDBMS. SQL provides a set of statements for storing and retrieving data to and from a relational database. The original version called SQL Structured English Query Language was designed by IBM in mid 1970s. SQL was first introduced as a commercial database system in 1979 by Oracle Corporation. Today, almost all modern relational database management systems like Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Oracle DB2, Database 2, Sybase, MySQL, and Informix use SQL as standard database language. Most of these have provided their own implementation, thus enhancing its feature and making it a powerful tool. SQL is different from other programming languages like C++, Visual Basic, etc. It is a non-procedural English-like language that processes data in groups of records rather than one record at a time. Unlike programs in other languages where you specify the sequence of steps to be performed, a SQL program only expresses the desired result. The responsibility for determining how the data will be processed in order to generate the desired result is left to the database management system. This non-procedural nature of SQL makes it easier to access data in application programs. SQL commands. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to table, drop the table, modify the table, set permissions for users. Types of SQL commands. SQL commands are traditionally divided into four categories: data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language. These are the types of SQL commands. Why SQL? SQL is widely popular because it offers the following advantages. SQL allows users to describe the data. SQL allows to define the data. SQL allows to embed within other languages using SQL modules. SQL allows users to create and drop database and tables. SQL allows users to create views, stored procedures, and also SQL allows users to set permissions on tables. Next one, object naming rules. What are the rules? First rule, the rule for naming database objects such as tables, columns, views and database procedures are as follows. Names can contain only alphanumeric characters and must begin with an alphabetic character or underscore. Database names must begin with an alphabetic character and cannot begin with an underscore. Case significant. Upper or lower case is determined by the settings for the database. Names can contain the following special characters: 0 through 9, hash sign, at the rate of, and dollar sign. Names specified as delimited identifiers in double quotes can contain additional special characters. Advantages. First advantage, Faster query processing means high speed. Using the SQL queries, the user can quickly and efficiently retrieve a large amount of records from a database. Second one, no coding skills, no coding needed. In the standard SQL, it is very easy to manage the database system. It does not require a substantial amount of code to manage the database system. Next one, standard language. Due to documentation and long establishment over years, it provides a informed platform worldwide to all its users. Next one, portable. SQL can be used in laptops, PCs, server, and even some mobile phones. Next one, interactive language. SQL is a domain language used to communicate with the database. It is also used to receive answers to the complex questions within seconds. What are the disadvantages? First one, complex interface. SQL has difficult interface that makes few users uncomfortable while dealing with the database. Second one, cost. Some versions are costly and hence programmers cannot access it. Next disadvantage, partial control. Due to hidden business rules, complete control is not given to the database. Finally, applications. What are the applications of SQL? SQL used to developers and DBA database administrators in writing data integration scripts. Next application, it is used to deal with analytical queries to analyze the data and get insights from it. Next application, retrieving information from the tables, and also modification of data and database tables such as insertion, deletion, and updation. Finally, in this video, we learn about SQL history. SQL is used for accessing data, manipulating data, and communicating with the database. Almost every function such as retrieving data from the database and creating a new database, manipulating data and databases such as insertion, deletion, and updation can be performed using SQL. It is a user-friendly and domain-specific language.